Lessons that hairdressers should learn before it's too late. The only person you face every day is yourself. Be the director of your life and cast your supporting team to match your vision. When you focus on problems, you'll have more problems. When you focus on possibilities, you will have more opportunities. No matter how much a problem or challenge is hurt now, one day you will look back and be thankful when the problem makes you a better person. Never be afraid to try something new because life is boring when you stay within the limits of what you know. Sometimes you will never know the value of a magic moment until it's a memory. Treasure your victories. Don't take it personally when you get negative feedback. Learn and move on. Life is a mirror reflecting back to you your mindset and your beliefs. You will always need wonderful relationships to either inspire you or for you to help others. When you learn what to be grateful for, you will not focus on lack. Do everything you do every day in the spirit of love, and every day will be more beautiful.